Hi everyone, Beck from Urban Revolution. Welcome to our refurbished store. If you haven't popped in lately, we've made some really big changes here. Most exciting one for us is the launch of some new bulk products. So we've got a range of personal care products, including moisturisers, body washes, deodorant, eye cream, toothpaste. And then walk with me. We have also got some natural laundry powder and our soap nuts that we always stock in bulk as well. And if we keep going around the store, we've now got our vinegar, our Kin dishwash liquid and dishwashing machine powder, as well as bicarb and our Binchatan water filters. And then we've also got sodium bicarbonate, great for soaking those, whites in the washing. And then we've also got our standard garden bulk products. So our seed raising mix, as well as our Koya and our Ensopet and Bakashi bulk products. And that is really exciting for us because it means that you guys can come in and just get exactly what you need. Great way to recycle some jars, bring your containers from home. Maybe it's an old ice cream container, a yogurt bucket, whatever you've got. Bring them in, we can weigh the jar and you can get what you need. And we hope to see you in store soon.